Hi dear students, I am yours Rashma Tisa. Today we are going to discuss the subject mathematics, and today we are going to learn the topic addition of two-digit number, regrouping ones and tens, addition of three two-digit numbers and without regrouping ones. That is today's topic. So what we discussed in the last class? Adding three two-digit numbers without regrouping, and also studied addition of two-digit numbers, regroupings 1. Did you learn it? Or have you got that topic? So today we are going to learn about the regrouping ones and tens, adding two-digit numbers. Regrouping ones and tens. Okay, then first question, add 78 and 53. So addition of 78 and 53. So adding two-digit numbers 78 and 53. First we arrange the numbers in places. So it has a two-digit number. So we want only two places, ones and tens. So all of you write ones and tens. So look at this. You will separate the places. Okay, so look at the first number 78. On this number, how many ones? It has 8 ones. That 8 can be written on the bottom of ones place. That means here. The next 7 is in the tens place. That means this is the place of tens. The 7 can be right on the bottom of tens. That is 78. Okay. Then look at the next number 53. So 53 has ones, 3 and tens 5. So the ones is in 3. 3 can be written the bottom of ones place. That means here. The next 5. 5 is in the tens place. That means we have to write the bottom of tens place column. That means here. Then we will find out the sum. That means put the sign of plus because it is an addition. Then the first step is over. Separate the numbers in places. The next one, add the ones. Add the ones. We will find the sum, or we will addition of two numbers. We will start the ones place. We will start the ones place. That means addition of ones place, or add the ones place. So look at the ones place. It has 8 ones. It has how many ones? It has how many ones? It has 8 ones. Look at the next number 3. That means it has how many ones? It has 3 ones. Then draw 3 ones. Then add the ones. That means add 8 plus 3. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many ones? So it has 11 ones. 11 ones. How many ones? 11 ones. That means 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So it has ones place. That means it has 11 ones. Okay. So regroup 11 ones into 1, 10 and 1, 1. Regroups into 11 ones into 1, 10 and 1, 1. So write this one in the ones place. That means here write 1. So 1 can be right in the ones place and carried over 110 into the tens place. Okay, carried over 110 to the tens place. That means how many tens? It has only 110. That is 1 is in the carried over. All of you clear? It has 11 ones is there. 11 ones can be regrouped into 1, 10 and 1, 1. And 1, 1 can be right in the ones place and carried over 110 into the tens place. So the carried over right here. Next, add the tens place. Add the tens place. So on this it has 7 tens. It has 5 tens. That is 7 plus 5. 12. 7 plus 5, 12 tens. And also add the carried over. Add the carried over. That means how many tens? 7 plus 5 plus then this one is in the carried over. Okay, and 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, what is that? 13 tens. 12 plus 1 has 13 tens. That means 13 tens can be regrouped into 103 tens. 13 tens can be regrouped into 103 tens. Okay, that means 13 tens can be regrouped into 103 tens. Then 3 tens can be right on the tens place. All of you clear? Write 3 tens in the tens place and 100. That means this 1 carried over 1 can be written in the 100 place. Carried over 100 to the 100 place. That is on this number. Has not in the 100 place. At that time we will write the place of 100 and the bottom write 1. Which one? 100. That is the carried over. 100 is the carried over. That is the carried over 100 to the 100 place. That means on the answer is 131. What is the answer? 131 is the answer. That is add 78 and 53 is 131. 131. Okay, the next question. Add 93 and 39. First we have to arrange the number in places. First, we have arranged the number in places. So it has two places, ones and tens. Then look at the first number, 93. 93 has 3 ones and 9 tens. 93 has 3 ones and 9 10. So this is the ones place on the bottom right, 3, and this is the tens place. We have to write the bottom of tens, 9. The next, look at the next number, 39. 9 is in the ones place and 3 is in the tens place. So 9 is in the ones place. That means the ones place, bottom right, 9. Then 3 is in the tens place. This is the place of tens. Then write 3. Then addition. Then add 3 plus 9. That means how many ones? It has 3 ones. How many ones? 9 ones. Add the ones. That means add 3 and 9. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many ones? It has 12 ones. So it has how many ones? It has 12 ones. 12 ones can be regrouped into 1, 10 and 2 ones. 12 ones can be regrouped into 1, 10 and 2 ones. Okay, that means 2 ones write in the ones place. That means 2 write in the ones place. That means 2 can be write in the ones place. So what about 110? Carried over 110 to the 100 place. Carried over 110 to the 100 place. That means, tens place. So this is a tens place. That means write 1 carried over. Clear? Carried over 110 to the tens place. Carried over 110 to the tens place. That means this is the tens place. That is carried over 1 right here. The next, add the tens place. Add the tens place. Look at the tens. 9 plus 3 plus 1 is the carried over. That means 9 plus 3 plus 1. 9 plus 3 is already 12. Already told that 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus the carried over 1. That means 13 tens. What is that? 13 tens. That means 13 tens can be regrouped into 100 and 3 tens. 13 tens can be regrouped into 100 and 3 tens. That is 3 tens can be right on the bottom of tens place. That means here write 3. What about 100? Carried over 100 to the 100 place. Carried over 100 to the 100 place. So it has not 100 places there. So you will draw the 100. Then write 1. So what is the answer? 93 plus 39 is equal to 132. Okay, all of you clear? The next, adding 3 two-digit numbers, regrouping ones. adding 3 2-digit numbers. Regrouping ones. And 24 plus 19 plus 17. So addition of 3 2-digit numbers. First what I taught first, arrange the number in places. Then it has only 2 places. Then we want to write ones and tens. Then look at the first number 24. 24 has 4 ones and 2 tens. Then look at the next number 19. 19 has 9 ones and 1 10. The next, look at the number 17. 17 has 7 ones and 1 10. Then addition. Okay. Then look at the question. First, arrange the number in places. Next, what will do? Adding the ones. So look at the numbers. It has 3-digit numbers. 3 numbers is there. It has 4, 9 and 7. So it has 3 numbers is there. So we will represent the numbers. It has 4 ones. Then to add the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What is that? 20. That means 20 ones. Okay, then 4 plus 9 plus 7. What is the answer? 20. 20 ones. Okay, 4 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 20 ones. That is 20 ones can be regrouped into 2 tens and 0 ones. 20 ones can be regrouped into 2 tens and 0 ones. That is not in the ones. That means 0 ones. That means 0 can be right on the ones place. And carried over 2 tens to the tens place. Carried over 2 tens to the tens place. That means on the tens place write 2. Okay, there is addition of or adding of ones place is over. Next, adding of tens. Addition of tens place. Then here 2 and 1 and 1. Then the carried over 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1. It is in 4. 4 plus the carried over. Then 6. 6 tens. That means 6 tens. What is the answer? 60. What is the answer? 60. All of you clear? Then first we add the ones. So look at this ones. How many ones will get? It has 20 ones is there. That means regroup 20 ones is 2 tens and 0 ones. That is 0 can be right in the ones place and carried over 2 tens to the tens place and write 2 in the tens place. Next, add the tens. Then 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus the carried over. What is the carried over? 2 is in the carried over. That means it has 6 tens. That is 6 can be written in the tens place. That means 60 is in the answer. That means the addition of 24 plus 19 plus 17 is equal to 60. Okay. Then next. "31, 32 and 28. First, arrange the number in places. This is the ones and this is the tens. So look at, first we have to add the ones. So it has 1, 1. Then it has how many ones? It has 2 ones. On this number, how many ones? It has 8 ones. How many ones? It has 8 ones. It has. So all of you add the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many ones? It has 11 ones. That means regroup 11 ones is equal to 110 and 1, 1. Regroup 11 ones into 110 and 1, 1. So this 1 can be written here on the bottom of ones place. Alright, 1 in the ones place. Then what about 110? Carried over 110 to the tens place. Carried over 110 to the tens place. That means here write 1. Next, add the tens. Okay, add the tens. That means 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. What is 1? 1 is in the carried over. Then all of you add 3 plus 3. 6. 6 plus 2. 8. 8 plus 1. 9. That means 9 tens. Okay. That means 9 and 10 can be written in the tens place. So what is the answer? 91. Okay. That means write 9 in the tens place. Okay. Clear? First we have to add the ones. 1 plus 2 plus 8. That is in the 11 ones. 11 ones can be regrouped into 110 and 1, 1. That 1 right in the ones place and this 110 carried over. Carried over 110 to the tens place. That we have to write here. Then add the tens. 3 plus 3 plus 2. Then add the carried over. That is, what is that? 1. That means 9 tens. That means 9 tens is in the tens place. That is right, 9 in the tens place. Okay. That means the addition of 31, 32 and 28 is 91 is the answer. All of you got? All of you got the topic regrouping, ones, addition, adding 3 two-digit numbers and addition of 2 two-digit numbers, regrouping ones and tens. All of you got it? Okay. Thank you.